Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how I create this simple work look, starting with stick foundation. This is a perfect foundation for work as it's quick to apply and you have full control over how much coverage you want. Going in with Corrector under my eyes and on any pigmentation on the face to counteract any depth, then taking Skin Serum Concealer in 2 shades. I like using Warm Natural under my eyes for a little brightness and Honey on the rest of my face for a more natural finish. Dipping into Peach Glow Highlighting Duo on the high points of my cheek, bridge and tip of my nose and on my cupid's bow. Then taking the peachier color across my cheek. For warmth and structure, I'm buffing Cool Walnut Stick Foundation along the contours of my face. And for a fresh flush to the cheeks, I'm going in with Fresh Melon Pot Rouge and buffing it in with the sheer powder brush. Keeping it really simple on the eyes, I'm sweeping Cashew Cream Shadow Stick on my lid and Shore in the crease, then using my finger to pat it all out. I love these for work as they stay on all day without creasing. Roughly drawing Scotch Divining Pencil along my lash line and quickly buffing it out with my brush to create a soft feathered look. Of course, making sure to curl my lashes to help open my eyes and layering on a few coats of Smokey Eye Mascara on the top and bottom lashes. I love using my finger to push up my lashes just before they dry for an extra lift. Another great tip is to take a little highlighter in the inner corner of the eyes for an eye-opening effect. For a natural work lip, I'm using Cocoa Lip Liner just to create a little definition and to keep my lip product on for longer, then applying Bare Nectar Extra Lip Tint. If you want a little bit more definition, take a small amount of bronzer and sweep it across the inner and outer corners of the eye. And there you have it. This is my healthy, everyday work look. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day.